Hey kids, today is Sunday. It's about 5:40. Oh, look at that. See all the ballooners? That's pretty cool. I did that one day. I was bored out of my mind. Couldn't wait to get down. Today is Help a Friend Day. We are gonna grab the Mason dump truck, the 40, because I don't want to bother Craig to bring the 80 over. I don't know if I can get this stump out with the 40, but I'm gonna give it the old college try, and I'll bring you along with me, because I don't know if you like tree removal like I do. I dig it. She's really doing me a favor. So we're gonna load up and we'll meet you out there. She's my ex-office manager. She's been my friend for a long time, and she handles the editing and uploading and all that cool stuff for the videos that nobody else wants to do because it's a pain in the ass. So we'll see you out there. Well, this is the biggest stump the 40's taken out, so this is a proud day for us all. And Roz, she don't even come out of the house. She don't even come out. That's pretty big. Let's say it probably took me 20 minutes to get her out. So we'll remove the most of this wood. I'm running out of fuel in the excavator, so I'm happy we didn't need the 80. There it is. Mark finished everything up here. It looks beautiful.